guys the rest of the type bars that we've got in the unit. The clutch for the Skyline cost almost £1,300. That's just the clutch, that's without labour or installing the clutch at all. So £1,300 was part of getting the ECU and a few of the bits and bobs for the boost for the EP3, but that's going to put on hold. So the money's gone to the clutch for the Skyline because we'd rather get the Skyline fixed before the Civic Type R. So we're going to park the Civic Type R up. Before we park it up, we have to get the Audi TT out because it's blocked in, and we're going to be dealing the Audi TT for a bit. Here is the low mileage Civic Type R. We're never going to sell that, it's just not worth selling. So we've got a Premier Edition here. We are going to keep this at the moment because I've always wanted a Premier Edition and I feel like they're worth more. So I mean, it's one of the most desired EP3 Type Rs out there now. So black one, the low mileage one. This is another Civic Type R that we've got. This one I will show videos to you guys. I will show a full, basically in one video I'm going to chunk up all the repair for this car, because this is probably the worst Type R we ever brought. Look at the back, look at the damage in the back. It's a lot worse than that one. We did change the boot lid on this. Like, there's paint all over the car, see here. And at the moment we're just changing the master cylinder because the car wasn't drivable either. The clutch wouldn't go into gear, so we had to buy some master cylinder, slave cylinder to get this back on the road car, so we can move it forward to get the Audi TT. So this is going to be the car that we're going to drive for a little bit until it gets sold. It doesn't require a wing, that's the only damage, but apart from that this car is good to go. We did do a video about buying this. It was a stolen recovered Audi TT. To end this video, may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Look after your family, take care of yourself. I'll see you guys next video. Farewell, dear Hoodstigs.